How to download movies using Plex app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can download movies using the Plex application. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to download the movies using Plex app, you need to have the Plex application downloaded on your device. If you don't have it, just head over to the Google Play Store application and simply download the Plex application into your device. After the download is complete, just open it up and simply log in using a Google account or any other account that is available to you. After that, you'll be taken to the home page of the Plex application onto your device, where you'll be finding a bunch of movies that you may want to download. For example, this one right here. So let's say I want to download this movie. So in order to download this movie, you need to have an activated account. You need to have a premium version in order to download it. And you'll be finding a download option besides this play. Here you can see the save, watched, and share option. Besides that, you will also be finding an download option. So in order to activate it, get back to the home page, and at the top three dot, you'll be able to find this option called activate place. Just tap on activate place. After that, upgrade or buy the feature. After that, you'll be able to find the option called download whenever you look up for any of the movies here, and that's how you basically download the movies using Plex application on your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.